Hey, I have a second channel, Cube Compium DDX.
Hey everybody, so it's tonight, May 2nd, 2022, and I figured it was time to post an update on things since I've gone kind of quiet again on QQ channel. So there for a little bit I was getting back into the hang of things. I had a whole bunch of stuff to do videos about and more importantly had the time to do it. But here lately over the past week or so, things have been crazy. Been working on stuff around the house here and just simply haven't had the time to really sit down and do a whole lot of QQ channel related stuff. I do have some stuff lined up to do some videos on here pretty soon, hopefully this week. But yeah, things have definitely been busy around the house here. I just got finished, well, I'm not quite done yet, but I just took down this giant overgrown bush that used to be back there. That thing was huge. I had to take the first half down and been spending a lot of time cutting up the limbs and burning them and stuff like that, and also just got a little odds and ends going on around the house here, getting ready to get the decks here painted. They need to be stained before the sun really gets to them. But yeah, guys, this has been a combination of that and also things have been really busy at work. I tell you guys, I miss having the extra time I used to have. But hopefully sooner or later I'll get it back. Start getting back some more free time again. So yeah, I've been spending some time, well, of course, with projects around the house, among other things, and just trying to get out and start doing stuff more because I mean, it's crazy. I haven't, the home project it put my life on pause for the good majority of 2021. It was, of course, had to move back in with my parents while this project that I was anticipating to take maybe 3 or 4 months drug out from, of course, the beginning of April all the way to the beginning of January. And that doesn't include, of course, the work I've been doing to the place since I moved in. But it's just been lots of stuff going on. But I tell you what, guys, it's the first time I've actually made a video out here on this back porch, and I tell you, it's pretty out here. I know this camera don't really pick up on it well at night, but I didn't feel like having to hold my phone like this to shoot a video, so I just tried to grab the regular camera and come out here and shoot a quick little video. But I might actually make a couple of videos tonight. I might, I don't know for sure. But I tell you, it's been a long day. But yeah, guys, I do have some stuff lined up. I do plan on doing some more videos about Windows 11, and also I got at least 1 or 2 different viewer requested things to do videos about. One of them is going to be taking apart a laptop keyboard to show the inner workings of it. I got a comment on my video tearing apart a desktop keyboard, and they were requesting to see the inner workings of a laptop keyboard, so I'm going to eventually get to it. Yeah, so that's kind of just a brief update on things. As some of my regular viewers may have suspected, of course, the home project, now that temperatures are finally getting warmer outside, I've been getting outside more and working on stuff out here in the yard. Tell you, this has been so much. Taking that big overgrown bush down was one of the big things I needed to get done, and of course, again, as I mentioned, I'm soon going to be having these decks painted, probably do it myself. And I see the kitty cats coming over here. But that, and also got to finish putting the chain link fence back together around the back of the house. I'm going to do a video for Cube Compium DDX here pretty soon, because it's actually been a minute since I've done a home update on that channel. So yeah, guys, in case you wondered about me in general, well, I'm still here, just haven't really posted a whole lot of new videos here lately. Of course, I had exhausted the big batch of videos I shot about 3 weeks ago, something like that. That cat. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. Of course, he's going to ignore me. Act like I'm not even calling him. Come here. Come here. Come on. Here, kitty, kitty. Yeah, so this is of course, the neighborhood cat that's been wandering about. Alright, you on the table? Get on the table. Yeah, cat, they see your tail. You gonna steal the show again? Huh? Yeah, kitty, kitty. Anyways, I think that about wraps up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
Well, everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Computer Channel, and be sure to tick that bell so you'll get notified when new videos are posted. Also, don't forget, I have a whole lot of other interesting videos here on the channel to check out. And also, in addition, I have a second channel, CubeCompMTDX, where I have all sorts of other videos not exactly related to technology. Links to the channels are available at the end of this video. Again, I thank you for your support, and thanks for watching this video.